What's up, YouTube? Quick update video here. Operation Beast Mode is coming along great. As you can see, I have wheels mocked up. Those aren't the wheels I'm going to be using. Those are just the two front wheels. I've gotten a good bit done today. I don't know if y'all can see that. Let me turn the light on. I tore the whole rear end out today. I just got this wheel off the front sitting in place because this is where's the size? This is a 13 tall tire, and this is on a 6-inch rim, and I'm going to be using probably 6-inch rims, I'm thinking, all the way around. So about this size of a tire, or maybe a little bit smaller, maybe a 10. I don't quite know yet 100% what I'm going to do. I gotta look more into what I can get split rim wise for drift carts and tire wise. As y'all can see over under here, everything axle is gone. Sprocket, I'm still working, not sprocket, hub for this pulley I'm still working on getting off. I was going to leave this pulley for now, but it's so rusty, it's not even funny. There's holes in the pulley, so I'm going to have to pull that out. I got the front rims off, a couple things unbolted from the bottom. Hopefully next time I'll be able to get the front axle off, and I gotta start ordering parts here pretty soon so I can mock up the front and the back and try to figure out how I'm gonna rig up the front axle, if I'm gonna use this axle or if I'm gonna try to just build my own solid straight axle with drop spindles on them. Not 100% sure yet, but at least I've made some progress, and I think this thing's going to look good. This is about how high off the ground I want it to sit. Those are the old mounts for the old axle. Those are going away. I'm probably going to drill holes somewhere here-ish through the frame itself. I'm going to mount the axles through the frame so I can get it low enough. But yeah, I'm thinking about roughly that high is how I want the whole thing off the ground. I was hoping to get the steps a little bit lower, but the way that the mower's built, it's just not going to happen. Front end's definitely going to be a lot lower though. That's just the front axle sitting on the ground. So I'm going to have to work on figuring that one out. Just figured I'd give you all a little update. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.